First project we worked on with PROCON and their team was Dover. The second project was last year with a 65,000 square foot expansion to our Rhode Island facility. And then this is probably the most complex, even though it's not the most square footage, but it's adding a large addition with a lot of infrastructure build out tied to an existing 50-year-old building. So this is my third project that we've completed with PROCON. Having a massive construction project going on when we've got a very large operation that's still in place, and it's gone so well that there's really been not one issue I can come up with. I haven't had to get involved, and I would say the majority of the companies that we would have traditionally considered, we would all look in the rearview mirror and view the last 8-9 months as a nightmare, and frankly, it's been, PROCON's made it look easy. I think what you get with PROCON is similar to the value proposition for us. Rand-Whitney is very good at what we do because of the attention to the detail. We act like a smaller firm, but we've got the scale and the tools of a very large firm. And I think that's how I would characterize PROCON, where the engagement has the look and feel of a smaller regional construction firm, but the tools and the scale and the balance sheet and everything else is of a massive company. So they've been able to blend, I think, the best of both worlds to bring great value to the table. I wish I had more chances to be an advocate for PROCON, because frankly, I don't think there's anybody that's really even close, because it looks like a very well-oiled machine, and all we see is phenomenal execution. So I'm sure there's challenges behind the scenes, but it never shows to us as the customer. So PROCON is a unique company. They're extraordinary at what they do in a very challenging space, and we're already working on the next 2 or 3 projects. So it's something I've really enjoyed over the last 5 years.